Oh no.
Wait for me. Oh no, Toad, I am on my way.
Hello everyone. It's me, Thomas. Today I will answer some of your questions. Who wants to participate?
Hi Thomas. Hello Thomas. Hello.
Hello Thomas. Hello guys. What have you been doing lately? I went shopping with my mom. Good job! What a good experience!
My mom made me a princess dress.
Wow! The dress is pretty! Good job!
I rode my bike in my backyard.
Good job! Wow! Well done!
I went camping to the woods.
Good job! That was quite an adventure! And now you can ask questions. Who wants to go first? What is the name of the buses on the island of Sodor? The buses that work on the island of Sodor are Bertie and Bulgy.
What is the name of the red mixed traffic locomotive?
The name of the red mixed traffic locomotive is Winston. Sir Topham Hatt uses it to inspect the railroad tracks.
What is the name of the red car that belongs to the Elsbridge cricket team?
The red car that belongs to the Elsbridge cricket team on the island of Sodor is Caroline.
What is the name of the best well-known farmer on the island of Sodor?
The best known farmer on the island of Sodor is Farmer McCall. Good job! Let's watch an episode by surprises and fun toys. I will ask you some questions at the end of the episode. In today's episode, we will watch Toad is in Danger.
See you late, Toad.
James, take me with you.
Okay, Toad.
Thank you, James.
I am very fast.
Go slower. Oh no.
Wait for me. Oh no, Toad, I am on my way.
I will crash.
Are you okay?
Yes. I can't stop. Be careful. Oh no. Be careful. Sorry, Henry.
Wow.
Oh no! Toad is coming toward us.
What is that?
Uck, oh my gosh, I will spill my tea.
What happened?
Up ahead. He is coming too fast.
Back up, back up.
Oh no, Percy. Topman, do something.
Hold on tight.
Be careful, Thomas. I can do it.
Well done, Toad.
Thank you, Thomas.
Oh, here you are. Good job, Toad. Sorry, Toad.
Don't worry, James.
Thank you, Toad. Did you know that you are strong?
You are welcome, James.
Did you like the video?
Yes, I liked it. I liked the accidents.
Are you ready for the first question? What is the name of Oliver's brake van?
The name of the brake van is Toad.
See you late, Toad.
James, take me with you.
Okay, Toad.
Good job, that is right. Why did Toad get unhooked from James?
Toad gets unhooked because James goes too fast.
I am very fast.
Go slower. Oh no.
Good job, that is right. If Toad would not have stopped, what train would he have crashed into?
If Toad had not stopped, he would have crashed into Thomas.
Oh no! Toad is coming toward us.
Oh no, Percy. Topman, do something.
Hold on tight.
Be careful, Thomas. I can do it.
Well done, Toad.
Thank you, Thomas.
That is right. Good job. Who were Thomas' passengers? Thomas' passengers were Sir Topham Hatt and his mom. Oh no! Toad is coming toward us.
What is that?
Uck, oh my gosh, I will spill my tea.
What happened?
Up ahead. He is coming too fast.
Back up, back up.
Good job, that is right. Good job, everyone. See you next time to answer more of your questions here at Surprises and Fun Toys.
Thank you, Thomas, that was fun. Bye bye, Thomas. Bye, Thomas. Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.